Hello everyone, it's Brad Filipponi here from BoxBrownie.com, and today I'll be showing you how to take epic real estate photos using your drone. Throughout this video, I'll be covering the entire process, from selecting a drone, to which settings I recommend, which angles of the property to take, and how to get your photos professionally edited for maximum impact. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at real estate drone photography, even if you've never used a drone in your life. Okay, so step one is what drone to buy. I highly recommend the DJI Mini 3 Pro because it's super affordable, only costing $609 at the time of making this video. In addition to that, it's super easy to use, it's reliable, and the quality of the output is great. And to show you what I mean, on the screen right now is an example of a photo taken with the DJI Mini. And here is how it looks when it's edited using our aerial editing service. So step two is setting up your drone. Turn on both the controller and the drone by double pressing the on button. Make sure the drone is set for photo mode and then click the settings button. You then want to go to the camera tab, set the size to 4:3 and the white balance to auto. So next up is step three, how to shoot a property with a drone. First up, you want to make sure to wipe your lens clean before takeoff. The last thing you want to do is have smudged images when you go back and check the shots at the office. Extend the arms and the propeller blades out of the drone and then place the drone on an empty space with nothing around you. This includes things like tree branches and power lines. When shooting real estate, there's generally a few angles you want to capture. This includes a direct overhead shot of the home to provide a comprehensive view of the space. You also want to take a frontal shot of the property, especially if it sits on a sloped driveway, as this will present your home in a better light. And lastly, consider capturing a suburb profile shot. This will showcase nearby amenities accessible within a short drive, such as schools, a beach, or even natural landmarks. It's advisable to capture more shots than initially planned during the on-site shoot. This practice allows you for the flexibility to select the best shots later during the computer editing process. Okay, so next up is step four, getting your drone photos professionally edited. Log into the BoxBrownie.com dashboard, select aerial editing, and name your job. Next, you want to upload the images and follow the prompts. The standard aerial editing image enhancement includes things like sky replacement and grass replacement, which will make your shot look so much better. You also have the option to add additional edits, such as aerial color fade and drop pins. Once you select your options, submit your job, and within 24 hours, you'll receive your professionally edited images. And there you go, aerial real estate photography made effortlessly simple. So if you're a real estate agent or a property photographer who's looking to up their marketing game, all you need to do is capture the shots, upload them to BoxBrownie.com, and we'll handle the rest. And a quick heads up, if you haven't tried BoxBrownie.com before, I'd love to give you 4 free photo edits. Simply click on the 4 free photo edits on the left-hand side and create a new account. The best part is you don't need a credit card and there is no subscription fees. See you on the next video.